Hi, I'm Simon Chandler. I'm Managing Director of Creative. So Creative works with UK-based engineering, manufacturing and design-led businesses. And what we do is we work with those companies to understand how their businesses can be improved through the use of additive manufacturing. We work with a number of different brands of 3D printers, all of which provide customers with high-quality 3D prints in a reliable fashion and all at a reasonable cost. So traditionally, I would say that people perceive additive manufacturing as being a tool for prototyping. That was certainly the case up until a few years ago, when the material properties of what the printers could actually produce improved dramatically. And what that led us to is that rather than just prototyping, we're now able to move into printing production parts, things like tooling, jigs and fixtures, end of arm tooling, whereby we're then supporting your current manufacturing processes and making them more efficient, reducing lead times, saving you money on those. So what we're seeing is twofold. We're seeing that the capabilities of some of the printers is increasing, but we're also seeing that at certain price points, the ability for the printers to produce things at faster speeds and lower costs is also evolving. So as with a lot of industries, I would say that over the next 5 to 10 years, AI is most likely to have the biggest impact on our industry. There's probably two areas where that's going to have an impact. So at the beginning of the process, you need to create a digital design. I'd say AI will become increasingly useful in that area. At the back end, I would say AI will also become a lot more involved in the ability for the printers to actually monitor what it is that they're producing, to ensure that not only does it conform to the design, but also the material properties that you're creating, which means that people will be a lot more comfortable that they can rely on these parts to go into things like production environments. So I would say we've scratched the surface in terms of the adoption of this technology. So within the UK, it's very much engineering and manufacturing businesses who are using this for tooling. And outside of that, it's things like product design or the creative industries, which are using it for things like prototyping, but also things like props and models for the film and TV industry. Across a broad spectrum of that, the adoption rate is low, but it is growing. Our industry has been predicting hockey stick growth for a number of years, which we've never seen, but what we are seeing is consistent double-digit growth.
Hi, my name is Sabina Gonzalez-George and I'm the Marketing Director at Creative. So we have been a member of the AMUK group since its start. So we've been a member of MTA for many, many years. And actually when AMUK came about, we thought, well, this is brilliant, because actually what part of our role is to share knowledge and applications and to help spread the word of what Additive is capable of. So having an AMUK group, which is dedicated to actually just sharing awareness and knowledge, is brilliant. So that's why we joined. So I think the benefits of joining AMUK have been twofold. One is that we have been able to share customer success stories, applications, help companies understand why, as a manufacturing or an engineering company, you should be adopting the technology and what benefits it can bring. So that's one side of it. The other side of it as well is actually being able to meet up in industry. So to be able to meet with manufacturers, to be able to meet with fellow additive partners, to be able to discuss together as a group as to where we are, what we're doing, what the focus should be, and also extend that awareness up. So having a voice within AMUK gives us a voice within the MTA, which also then gives us a voice within the UK government to be able to say, you know what, manufacturing is awesome. We've got lots of capability here, but we just need to take it to the next level.